Hey, everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a beautiful day here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. If you notice, I have some Adirondack chairs around me, and they line the boardwalk all the way from the north end to the south end. Right now, I'm in front of the Ocean Casino Resort. I noticed over the past couple of years that, they started out painting a couple of these. Local artists started painting a couple of these Adirondack chairs, and as time went by, more and more chairs were painted. So that's what this video is all about. Not about hotels, not about casinos, not about restaurants, but local artists who did a really nice job painting these chairs, all different kinds of styles and stuff like that. If it's something that doesn't interest you, well, then it's just one of my I guess guilty pleasures of uploading a video like this. But if you do enjoy it, I'm glad you did, and just going to show you some of the chairs from here to the Tropicana. So let's go. I'm going to try to keep commentary to a minimum during this particular video, but a little bit about these chairs. Each year, artists transform Adirondack chairs and planter boxes for Atlantic City's Arts Foundation's flagship program, 48 Blocks AC, in partnership with the Special Improvement Division of the New Jersey Casino Reinvestment Development Authority. The chairs and planters can be found along the Atlantic City Boardwalk as well as O'Donnell Memorial Park. As the video continues, if you have a favorite chair that you like, leave a comment or the timestamp where it is, and we can all check out who likes which ones. If you ever wondered what these were for, they're for empty pizza boxes. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. These clips, by the way, were taken over the course of several weeks or perhaps even months this past summer, so you might see some duplicates here. I tried to avoid them, but there might be one or two. Also, near the end of the video, a lot were taken during the evening. You still get the idea, but the lighting isn't that great. You'll see. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. I think I'm going to have to do a follow-up video. I'm sure I missed a couple chairs. Well, you know, when you're walking by and you see someone sitting in it, I'm the last person to ruin someone's relaxation time. So I'm sure I missed a few chairs because people were sitting in them. I'll probably do a follow-up sometime next year. But I do hope you appreciate the chairs next time you're here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Step away from the pizza places and the dollar t-shirt stores and all those kind of places. Walk a little bit closer to these chairs. I think you'll go home and a little piece of your soul will be happier. In these parts, you might hear the term 48 blocks a lot. Atlantic City happens to be 48 blocks wide. I am not an expert at anything, and I never claimed to be, but I happened to learn a few things over a couple of years of vlogging, and I found out that it's really not the low lights that ruin a video, it's the shadows that ruin the video. And I shouldn't say ruined, I think you guys are still appreciating the artistry in these chairs.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.